Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Travel with Aja. So if anyone new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Okay, so last week we went to so many places with my friends. It's very interesting. Especially today I am going to show a particular place. It's called Lakshapana waterfall, one of the beautiful and famous waterfall in Sri Lanka. So I want to share the experience what I did. So let's go to the video, guys. So yeah guys, we started our journey like 6:30 a.m. in the morning. So see the view, you can feel the view how it's look like. So we started to travel to Lakshapana. This is the way of going, so let's enjoy. Yeah guys, finally we found a place to take our breakfast. Yeah, this is the way to go. So my friends are working there. Mainly I want to show this place. You can see a beautiful view over there. So if you are going like this way, try to find like this place with a beautiful view, so you will feel awesome in the morning. So in there we took Sri Lankan traditional breakfast. It's called pol roti with pol sambol. Pol roti means it's they are making by coconut, and pol sambol is very spicy, but it's very interesting. If you eat like this cold place, the spicy things are so good. And I drank a tea. Sri Lanka is so special for tea. You can see the photo also. So this is downstairs of hotel. Just I want to show the place, then the view. It's looking so awesome. So let's go guys, let's carry on our journey to go Lakshapana. Let's stay tuned and watch and enjoy guys. Okay guys, so finally we reached the place to Lakshapana. This is the entrance to start our hiking, so let's go. Yeah, just stop the music because you want to feel the sound. Let's just listen the sound, man. You will feel something. Maybe you feel you also hiking with us. So that's why I just want to give the feeling. See, in front of me, one of my friend is walking and he is taking videos. You know, guys, he also one of the YouTuber and he likes to do vlogs. So he also doing same thing here. Yeah, guys, finally we are so near to the waterfall. Maybe you hear the sound of the waterfall.
When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way, and I'm always lost. There's nowhere else to go. All I do is fall. Feels like I can make it more than I could bear. Giving up is all that I can surrender to you. Take me in your arms and hold me. With your love, find my rest and I can see you lead me. You make me hope again. Your love is all I ever need. Never knew this love can make my heart beat. You hold.
Yeah, guys, finally you can see the view of the waterfall finally, but we still did not reach the place. We want to walk like 5 to 10 minutes there, but you can see the place how it look like. Oh my god, I'm so excited to see. Let's walk very fast. Oh my god. Yeah, guys, so we are so near to that. You can see a view now. See that how it look like. Oh my god, see, it's so near. Oh my god, let's walk, man, very fast. finally we reached the place. So now I will not put music. You want to feel the sound, the waterfall sound. So hope you will enjoy the video. Let's enjoy, guys. Yeah guys, finally we are here. So let's enjoy the vibes. Listen the sound. Oh my god, I can't believe it. It's really awesome. Just enjoy.
Okay.
Hello guys, this is Travel with Aja. You can see behind me one of the world and most famous waterfalls in Sri Lanka. It's called Lakshapana. So you can see what an amazing place that you can see behind my screen. Oh my god, I can't say the feeling, man. Actually, what a wonderful moment I have been. So just enjoy the vibes. You can go some up there, but near to that, but my legs are hurting a little bit. That's why I did not do it, because it's a little risk. You know, you want to go like this way. It will be a little hard for me now. It's okay, it's fine. I'm near to that, but it's fine. So hope you will enjoy my video. So I can show you better views of Lakshapana, how we are. Okay guys, so now I'm going to show you in the next way how it looks like. So I'm coming down and I'm sitting here. Now I will change the camera direction. You can see, maybe it's a better way to show like where I am and how it's look like. How do you feel, man? It's really awesome. Just you can say wow, only wow. It's a wonderful place to visit Lakshapana. You will enjoy definitely the vibes, the waterfall. We can't say it, you can't feel the video. If you come here, you will feel the vibe what is going there. So hope, see guys. If you watch with yeah guys, see this place. You want to walk, you want to go this way to see the waterfall. So how dangerous way it's look. It's very small and we want to walk over there. So Just see how I'm trying to pass this place. It's very hard, so I just want to show this place. See you guys, see the place guys, it's very interesting. Yeah, finally if you pass this place you can see a beautiful awesome view. See guys, it's Lakshapana waterfall for you guys. Yeah guys, so finally we finished our hiking and we enjoy the place. I think you also enjoy the place so much. So we are going back to up. So see how we tired. It's so much tired we feeling here because in a coming it's very really tired. So see my face and yeah guys, so that's the video. So hope you enjoyed the video so much. Yeah, I can say one of the best experience I ever had in the journey. So hope you also, if you have time free, please go and watch the place. It will be interesting, and hiking is very good thing for your health and everything. So you will get you learn a lot of things from there. So it's increase your self confidence and your strength of your muscles and all. So there is a lot of things, what are the advantages in hiking. So hope you will enjoy the video guys. Please subscribe and support, give me a support always. Keep supporting. Bye guys.